What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to fix the tile palette option missing in Unity. So if you go to window here and you go to 2D and you don't have the tile palette option, there is actually a simple way to fix this. So you don't have to reinstall Unity, you don't have to do anything. Basically you want to go to package manager here, you want to click there, and then you'll see an option for 2D tile map editor. So just click here once you see it, and then there should be an option to install. So once you install this guy right here, might take a little bit, it should add the option under the window for tile map editor. So we'll just wait for this a couple seconds, because it has to install it and import it. So yeah, honestly, I ran into this issue and I found that there wasn't much help for it online, so that's why I'm making this video here, because I've seen people telling me to reinstall Unity, do all this type of things. No need. You just need to install this little package here and then everything will be fine. Come on, buddy. Unity's so slow. Alright, so now the install option is not here anymore. It's just removed, so that's how you know it's been installed. So I'm just going to close this. And now when I go under window and 2D, we have tile palette. So boom, now I can click on my tile palette. I can insert new things. For example, let me click here. And now I can just draw a bunch of stuff. I was about to say shit, a bunch of stuff in my level. So yeah, hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.